Hi guys, here's what we're going to do. So today we are starting our air and weather unit. So we're all done with the solids and liquids. You should be an expert with all the vocabulary words. With air and weather, here's what you're going to get. You're going to get a little baggie, and in the baggie there is a feather, and there is a little styrofoam ball, a little cotton ball, and then you're going to see a straw. Okay, so um, when you get that, I want you to follow along with the screencast. So your teacher can pause this and pass out these items in the bag and then start it up again. Okay, here's what I want us to do. With these items, I want you to take out the take out the styrofoam ball, put it on your table. Okay, now I want you to take out the cotton ball, put that on your table. Take out your feather, put it on your table. Good. Take out the straw, put it on your table. All right, raise your hand and tell me what's in the bag. If you said there's nothing in the bag, you're partly right, but you're also not thinking like a scientist. A scientist would say, well, actually, there is something in the bag, and it's our good old friend, air. So air is in the bag. Um, Now what we need to do is you're going to have some work time, and I want you to um, prove that there, no, prove, yep, prove that air is in the bag. That's all I want you to do. Now you can use your puffball, you can use the styrofoam, you can use a straw, you can use a feather, you can use none of it, all of it, some of it. I don't, I don't know. But I want you to prove that there's air in the bag. Okay, you're going to have about 10 minutes to work with that and prove that there's air in the bag. Your teacher can stop this video and then start it up when you're done with the 10 minutes. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. You were supposed to have proved that air is in the bag. Um, so you could have done this a couple different ways. The easiest way is to take all the stuff out of the bag and you just seal up the bag. That's it. Seal it up. And when you push your hands together on the bag, can you put your hands together? No, you can't. You can't push your hands together because there's air in the middle of the bag. And how can we prove that there's air? Because air takes up space. Remember that? Air is matter. Matter is anything that takes up space. So we know that there's air in the bag because I can't push it together because it's taking up space. Awesome. Now what we're going to do is we're going to have some fun. If there's extra time with your bag, here's what you're going to do. Can you take your bag, zip it up, except for this little piece, and put the straw right there? Okay? And then I want you to put the little styrofoam ball here, put it on your table, take your hand, and boom, pop, push that bag, and your puffball should go flying because of the force of the pressure. Okay, so you get a little time with that. Then the last one is if you still have time, take your straw, Uh, put it in your mouth. This is my mouth. This is why I'm not the art teacher. Okay, and I want you to see if you can keep your feather up in the air by blowing on it. Okay, keep the pressure underneath to keep blowing that thing up in the air. Okay, when you're all done, here's how to set the bag up. Okay, I want you to put the styrofoam ball back in, put the cotton ball back in, put the feather back in. The straw, you get to not take home. I don't want to see the straw. So you can throw it away, you can take it home, but don't put it back in the bag because it's been all in our mouths and everything. Just keep this in the bag. Awesome.